If you want to make your spreadsheets clear, readable, and visually appealing, today's video is for you. Move it a bit around until you found the perfect sizing, okay? You want to change the column width, right click, column width, put in the desired size and take it from there. Highlight again. Then we click on the letter B. Right at the top by the ribbon, you see B, I, and U. Those are all the font sections, right? B is for bold, the I is for italic, and the U with our little underline is for underlining. So I need to change the font. I want to change the size and the font to Arial. So we're going to change that to Arial. You can actually take the whole sheet and just do it, but there's a few things I really want to do. Then we go down to the font size and we go to 14. We can do 14. And then we can just adjust the sizing of the columns as well, but we also want to make it look neat while we do that, okay? I am going a bit slower so that you can see. You can always go back if there's a mistake that you've made. I am going to increase the size of the totals there at the bottom, the 1,000, the 400, and the 1,000, the 4,000, and the 500. Over here, we'll go to alignment, click in the middle, it will change it to go into the middle of the cell. Okay, you can put it on the left, you can change it to the right as well, but I like it being in the middle. Okay, and then those totals at the bottom of the headings, you can leave for the left side. We don't want to change the font color. We highlight them, click on that little box there, and it will change color as you hover over the colors. Okay, what I want to do is, and you can see there how the sample will look like as you hover over them. So I want to have a bright color, so let's choose yellow. Let's move it up. I don't think I'll probably leave it here. It doesn't look right next to the date, but okay, let's just do what we can. We change the font again and we do it Arial again, and then we also want to change the font size to 12. I would always like the headings to be a bit bigger than what the other data is in the cells, or on the sheet at least. As you can see on the ribbon, as I stated in a previous video, in the ribbon you can find everything you need. Okay, so changing fonts, changing colors of the data, anything that you typed in the changing the page layout, getting formulas, changing dates, all of those things you can get from the ribbon. Okay, so, and which also a very good tool is right clicking and finding all of these lovely things like this, like changing the date. As I'm beautifying this further, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. Please comment below for any suggestions, anything that you think I can improve on. Um, yeah, and just give it a thumbs up. Get this video out there on YouTube. So I'm going to move this down to under Excel Empowerment and the dates. So I think it will flow better as having things next to each other. But let's do this way, and then you can always change your font as well and the sizing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the first sheet where we interface is, and we are going to type in working file because I think it was the first video I made. Yes, the first video we worked on the interface. So you just had a rough idea of what this page looks like or the sheet looks like. So we're going to change it to working file because we want this to work with the same file, that we're all on the same page. Thank you for watching today, and yeah, I would like your advice on what to do next, and yeah, I just want to know what you would like to learn. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.